Hey, what's up, guys? This is Big Russ, and I know it's been a minute. Um, Let me preface this with I apologize. I've been super busy with work. That's really no excuse not to try to put out a video. Obviously, I've been able to put out some shorts because I can do a quick edit while I'm, using the bathroom or sitting on the couch with the wife, hanging out, chilling. But today, we're going to talk about this. And I will attach the run video of this. I beat my challenge. I didn't beat it with a 10th scale like I wanted to. But you know what? A win is a win, right? A win is a win. Now, let me preface this with, as you can see, something is not quite right. That is not my fault. It is to a degree. I didn't go through and Loctite the C-Hub hardware. Okay. So this C-Hub lost both the upper and lower screw. Don't know how. And if you can see, the other side is bent. This thing fell very hard onto a cinder block. Okay. I lost a screw in my hood. Oh well. Not a big deal. It's just a screw. But I did manage to break the body. Now, this is not Oppai's fault. The body is great. It is held up to some serious falls and abuse over the last 6-7 months I've had it now. And this is because it fell. It fell 6 foot onto a cinder block. All my electronics became dislodged. It happens. I'm running double-sided tape on all my electronics to keep them in place. That failed. So, not the end of the world. I can easily fix this truck if and when Hobby Park gets back to me to replace that axle shaft. The screws are screws. It's easy fix. The body I can fix, or I can buy another one. But I will show you guys the video right now.
Because I just bought it yesterday. I said, well, we don't make determinations over the phone, but it has to be unused and unopened. So he said they opened all of it to show them how to use them. I'm like, okay. It definitely removes the rash on my body. Good load.
The best is when you first found the first little rubbing out of the bumper, and you're like, what's this? And you pull it back, you're like, what the fuck?
I was like, a screw? Like, the screw's completely, shaved off.
That's how it came. No, it wasn't.
No.
It's called concrete. What are you doing, boy? Sucks to be a grown up. Why are these wheels different? Is this backwards? You can get it. Well, look, this. Why are they different? Oh, I remember
All right. So I beat the chicken wire. Fantastic. Love it. Been a challenge since the day I walked in there. Almost, let's see, first time I went in that store was December of 24. Was it? No. Maybe. I don't know. No, it was like June or July of 2024 that I went in there the first time and saw it. But yeah. Hopefully after Chinese New Year, Hobby Park will get back with me. You cannot buy these axles currently. Not in black, not in silver, not in any color that they offered. They are just unavailable at the moment, and it could just very well be because of Chinese New Year. But the only issue I've had with these axles is I bent one shaft, and I lost the hardware. So if you do pick up a set or you have a set, double check your hardware, put a dab of Loctite in your knuckles so when you put the screws in, it locks it in. That's all I got this week, guys. I love you. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.